There's some holes in this house.
5 minutes. 5 minutes. Welcome back to another video, and today I'll be attempting to do a 5-minute makeup tutorial, and hopefully I'll get to the end of this video in 5 minutes. Now ladies and gentlemen, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, so these couple seconds will not be counted in the makeup tutorial. So I'm just gonna start the timer at the moment. Right about now. After 3, Tracy, get me count now. 1, 2, 3, start. Alright, so guys, I don't have a mirror right now, so I'm just gonna go with the flow. So just the other day, I did this challenge with a fellow YouTuber. Her name is Kristen Mart. So go on over to her channel and check her out. Hello, come down and tap it around, please.
Follow me on IG, Nick Savage.
Yeah, Fresh Revenge, you can check out in thing.
Fresh Revenge,
5-minute makeup challenge, guys. So let's see if I can do this.
5 minutes, guys. 5 minutes.
5, 4, 3, 2.
Wait, then how this
1.
go?
We done, man. 5 minutes.
How this go? I stop watching for how we pan our time.
Stop what?
Mira, stop food, should we put it
No,
on?
don't worry about that, man. We use 5 minutes, you know. So aren't you targeting
So guys, targeting off. You know, if you can do this in a 5 minutes, this look hectic.
So what's up, people?
I see him, so I put him up in every video.
What's up,
Me a
people?
ramp.
Today?
Me a ramp. Alright, so I'm gonna grab. So I'm just gonna do the top of my eyebrows.
Shimon!
Shit. How come my eyebrow fuck up? Dog.
That's how we frighten the camera. There's some holes in this house.
5 minutes. 5 minutes. Much minute me have left?
Yeah, only a minute left, man. Go and do your thing. Goodie box.
You do it for 5 minutes.
Right now, man, I say that enough views in the video I get, that we in there, don't you? Show your name.
Can't just appear.
Tracy, and the girl just appeared.
Alright, eyebrow done. 1. Jing bang bang. Kitty bang bang. Alright, eyebrow. Moving on. 2 minutes. Bomba. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Let me see if this can wear. 1, 2, 3. I should. So guys, whenever I'm doing a little fast move, this is my look for a little fast move. So then I try this strap for me. I don't know what that I go. Nope. Alright guys, so I have like a black one in the crease line, so 3 minutes 37 seconds. Hold on. Like a shimmer of one go to place. Oh god. My brush. See. I'm gonna put little white in here, so guys. 5 minutes, 5 minutes, white. Me say, I'm going to tell them about to know.
Bad man will drink off a man table.
Ask them.
So that's a 1. Eyeliner. Guys, me not wear
You can't remember doing makeup.
me not wear eyeliner.
Let's go. You have 30 seconds.
4 minutes. 4 minutes. What else we have left to do? So guys, I'm just gonna highlight under my eye so.
You have 20 seconds.
Under 20 seconds I have.
Good.
We picked up one
I have 5 minutes to go.
Right now, you're not make it. Watch out now. In 10, 9, 8, 7, 6,
People,
4,
talk truth.
3,
You look nice.
2.
Can't hear, no. 5 minutes and 21 seconds. Oh, shit. No, guys. This not work at all.
Of course you can't. Oh, yeah,
But this could I wear. No, eyebrow on fleek.
put on lipstick.
What do you think? This could I wear, not true?
I can't do filter anyways.
Can I wear? Come thumbnail.
Oh, so